In just a few hours from now, opening statements will be beginning in President Trump's hush money trial in New York. He is accused of falsifying business documents as part of a scheme to conceal a $130,000 payment back in 2016 to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. This is the first time a U.S. president has been on trial in a criminal case. Trump has denied any wrongdoing, calling the trial a sham.
This is a giant witch hunt to try and hurt a campaign that's beating the worst president in history. Biden's the worst president in the history of our country, beating him by a lot. And this is the only way they think they can win, but it's not going to work.
NewsNation's Dre Clark is live outside that courthouse as this new week begins. Dre, what exactly are we expecting to hear in today's opening statements?
Well, Markie, good morning. As you noted, the jury is preparing to get into place to hear opening statements in the former president's hush money trial here. This after Mr. Trump's attorneys tried a last-minute move to have the trial delayed, filing a motion claiming that the jury selection process last week was unfairly rushed. The judge said not the case at all. So now this jury, made up of 7 men and 5 women, will listen closely as prosecutors try to convince them that Donald Trump should be held accountable for breaking the law. The former president is charged with 34 counts of falsifying business records to allegedly cover up a $130,000 hush money payment he paid to Stormy Daniels in 2016. Prosecutors claim the two had a sexual relationship that Mr. Trump wanted to keep quiet. The former president and Republican Party's presumptive nominee for president has pleaded not guilty and calls the case against him election interference at best. Mr. Trump also calling a gag order placed against him unfair.
Everyone else can say whatever they want about me. They can say anything they want. They can continue to make up lies and everything else. They lie. They're real scum. But you know what? I'm not allowed to speak. And I want to be able to speak to the press and everybody else about it.
Now, it's unclear who the prosecution plans to call first to testify. Prosecutors would only agree to reveal those names today because they were concerned Mr. Trump would attack the witnesses on social media. Among those expected to testify during the trial is convicted felon Michael Cohen, Mr. Trump's former personal attorney and so-called fixer, Stormy Daniels, Mr. Trump's alleged mistress, and David Pecker, former publisher of the National Enquirer, who allegedly helped orchestrate payments to Stormy Daniels. Pecker has reportedly been granted immunity in exchange for his testimony for the prosecution. Now, Mr. Trump has also indicated he is willing to testify if called to do so. Meanwhile, this trial is expected to last between 6 to 8 weeks. Markie?
And so it begins. All right, Dre Clark, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.